What's up? Just want to give a little shout out to nature and true nature. It's for sure, if I can get my camera steady, it's for sure that we are in an animal body. I mean, all this, it's an animal thing, but it's not our true nature. The creature itself has a nature. There's some nature. The creature itself has a nature, but to just totally devote your life to making everything about yourself follow after that creature will give you a sad ending, because it's not the nature of the animal that we should be trying to achieve. Now, if you understand the animal, you understand its workings, you can do better to have a healthier time in our animal body while we're here. Like the right things to eat, or whatever, you know, that's the big thing, is everybody's in a war over what to eat and what not to eat. And really it just comes down to what you find out for yourself, instead of just what the TV tells you to eat or not eat. It's just like the plants and the animals, they're all perfect. The trees behind me, ever since the second they were formed, created, they've been perfect. They have followed their orders perfectly. No evil, no bad. They've done no wrong. Even, if you can see that, even the armadillo that digs holes in my yard, even though I don't like it, because then I gotta fill them in or mow over them or whatever, he's done no wrong, because he's just followed the natural order given to him, an animal. There is no higher nature for him. His animal nature is high as it goes. And because of that, even the armadillo is perfect. But us humans are a little different. Our original nature is not animal. Even though we're in the animal body, we have to learn its ways, not give in to them, and just be animals. Because we are mankind, however you want to put it. And I guess discovering our true nature is really probably what this whole life is about. Otherwise, you're just a man in a dog suit, running around barking. And how's it go? The lilies of the field grow, they don't toil, they don't spin. But even Solomon in all his glory was not like one of these. It's because they follow the commands of God perfectly. And even Solomon, with all his knowledge and wisdom, fell extremely short. It's just the way it is. It's not the way it has to be. Or the birds of the air, they don't gather into barns, but God feeds them anyway. They follow his orders perfectly. It's just us mankind. We don't know what the heck's going on. We don't know whether to listen to the animal or listen to the true nature, our true self, God, however you want to go about it, however you relate to that. There's so many different ways you could say it, but you can be an animal. Hello, airplane. You could be an animal, or you can be something better than that, but you are in an animal body. There's just no getting around that. So anyway, have a good day.